Genesis family.
Children, guess where are we?
We are going to ride a horse.
Oh,
Yay! Good time, good. Daddy, very sure in a horse.
hi Gwen.
Hi, we don't ride horse.
Okay.
And we are also going to ride horse and feed the horse. And I like to feed horse and make the horse drink. And I like to make the horse clean. I like to ride horse. The big horse.
Whoa. Are you looking forward? Where's the horse? Oh, it's a sheep. The rabbit park. Ah. That's the rabbit. Okay. What's that?
How long is the ride?
See the horse name? Mr. Cool. Careful. Hi, Mr. Cool. Hi, Mr. Cool. You see this? Oh, white face. Yes, on her face. Hello, Mr. Cool. Okay. 买什么？你不是
我啦。
？Okay, hi Jack. What's Tina? Timmy. This scooter is so cool. Okay, put on the helmet. Nana, do you want to ride the horse? Ah, you're too young for it. See? So cute. Tickets. Hi, Nana. You look so.
Bom. Bye, Gwen. There they go.
She wants to buy the horse.
Huh?
She wants to buy the horse.
Why?
She wants to buy this horse.
You want to buy this horse? Then we're gonna keep it a corridor?
Goodbye, horsey. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables and
Mr.
cake.
Icy and apple.
Apples?
And carrots.
Yes. Oh. I like the trees.
Then tonight, I stay in Bye-bye! Subscribe for our channel. Like my